of Christ, immortal tree, on which our Saviour died. The world is sheltered by your arms that hold the crucified. From bitter death and barren wood, the tree of life is made. Its branches bear unfailing fruit and leaves that never fade. O faithful cross, you stand unmoved while ages run their course. Foundation of the universe,